Hello everyone, using another jerry can, draw a fence pattern using popsicle stick. Now wipe off the reference line and have your sharp knife ready for some cutout. Using a knife, carefully skew them and remove the top part. Cut the little rectangular shaped gap between the popsicles and also cut the top part of the popsicles which are curved. A large part of can goes waste, but don't worry, you can use it for your flowers. Make a flower using the scrap, attach it and dual drain holes. A basket pot. Make the curvy lines pattern again on the top half of the can. Select a can that has a ledge on the top. Then of course, have your knife ready. Carefully remove the top and skew the holes. Carefully carve the curves and skew the holes gently without rushing up and take off the remaining part. Make flowers out of scrap and attach them. It's a pot with a handle. Draw cloudy lines on the can. Also the curve of the handle as well. Now form a shape and now it's time to carve them out using your knife. Remove the top part and make holes on the curve. Some drain holes. Now attach a flower made from the scrap. It's a girly pot. With the handle of the can it's very easy to move them away. On another can, mark a V shape with marker. Do it on the other side of the can, covering the handle part as well. Now once again, get your sharpest knife ready to cut them out. And remove the top. This time cutting the plastic can is very easy since it's a straight line and a curve. Decorate with flowers. It's a jack. Have another blue can and mark it in the middle of the bottom. Now use your sharpest knife and it's time to cut them out. Cut the bottom part of the can, make holes on the cap and attach it to a handle. Pot to pot. Should we call it plastic bag or a pot bag? On another jerry can, draw a basket handle and strings using a tape. Draw the same on the other side of the can and of course take that deadly tool, the sharpest knife, and it's time to cut out. And carefully cut the parts. Once when you cut out the circle part, move on to the two triangles at the bottom and also the curvy lines. Once when you finish on one side, repeat the same on the other side, including the side part of the can as well. Use the scrap for flower and attach it. You have a back pot. On another can, make wavy lines on the bottom and a line along the handle's top. Once when you drew the shape on both sides, have your sharp knife ready. Cut and remove the excess part. Once after you cut them entirely out, you will have a red gramophone. Make the handle like a flower and drill drain holes. Now you have a red gramophone pot. Now let's get ready for a little hung pot. Using a little can, mark lines resembling a basket. Using a tape, draw a circle and have it as a reference and draw a beautiful flower inside it. Then take your knife and carve a flower, but leave it half cut. Carefully cut along the lines. Cute little hung pot. Thank you for watching this video.